Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to make a South Indian favorite egg paniyaram. To make this egg paniyaram, I have taken 4 eggs in a bowl. To this add half a teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Beat the eggs nicely till it's all mixed together. Then take a small saucepan and add 1 tablespoon of oil to it. When the oil heats up, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of urad dal, some curry leaves, and then I added 3 chopped green chilies. You can add a little less also if you want. Then add 1 chopped onion. Chop the onions into small pieces and add it in. Saute these onions till it becomes translucent. And then keep this aside. As the onions are cooking, add 2 cups of dosa batter to the beaten egg. And then add the sauteed onions. Instead of the onions, you can saute some grated carrots also and you can add that in. Or you can add any other vegetables also. Now mix all of this till it all comes together. To this batter, I added a little bit of red chilli powder. I have added half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Along with this red chilli powder, you can add any other masala also. Mix this together. Then I removed all the green chilies that I had added into the batter. Once the flavor of the green chilies gets into the batter, you can remove it off. Especially since I was making this for small kids, I chose to remove the green chilies. If you're making this for adults, then you can chop the green chilies into small fine pieces and then just add it into the batter, and that will also taste very good. So this makes a paniyaram batter. Now take an appe pan and add a little oil to it and grease it well so that the paniyaram will come out easily. And then take a ladle full of the paniyaram batter and add it into the appe pan. Place this on the stove and cook at medium flame for about 5 to 7 minutes till it's well cooked. If you have a lid for this appe pan, then you can cover it and cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Remove it after 6 minutes and then check if it's done. If the top is set, then turn the paniyarams and cook for another 3 minutes. Close the pan again and cook for another 3 minutes and your paniyaram will be ready. Remove all the cooked paniyaram and then you can add the remaining batter into the pan and cook that as well. So our easy and simple egg paniyaram is ready. You can make this for breakfast or you can make it for snacks as well. When your kids come back from school, you can make this for them and they'll definitely enjoy it. As a side dish, I made some chutney. You can make coconut chutney or this red chutney also. It will taste very good. Do try it out. Until next time, bye-bye.